Black Friday, the day of deals and desperation. Picture this. It's Black Friday, the mother of all shopping days. As the doors open, a sea of sleep-deprived bargain hunters floods in, battling for cut-price products like they're in a survival game. Laughter ensues as chaos reigns supreme in this parody of life on shopping's wildest day. Meet our cast of characters: a deal-seeking dad, a coupon-collecting mom, and the savvy teen influencer. They're armed with shopping carts and cunning strategies, ready to outwit anyone daring to snag their precious finds. It's a retail gladiator arena where only the funniest will emerge victorious. Hold on! Our skit is proudly supported by the Black Friday Cyber Monday Deal Finder. In this ultimate comedy twist, our characters discover this lifesaver app, realizing they've been doing Black Friday all wrong. Say goodbye to chaotic shopping and hello to easy savings and perfect gifts. Watch as our trio hilariously fumbles with overflowing carts, fights over a single, mystical 50% off deal, and even participate in a theatrical slow-motion tug-of-war over a must-have blender. It's retail comedy gold, making you wonder if anyone will ever find their way back to sanity. Before the credits roll, connect with the skit's message. Don't miss the fun and frenzy of our Black Friday parody, brought to you by the Deal Finder. Download this app for free and unlock a world of smart shopping. Enjoy gifts and savings like never before. Join the satire of savings. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on these incredible deals and savings at Target this holiday season. Black Friday and Cyber Monday only come once a year, so act fast before these deals are gone. Visit dealsalesfinder.com for even more amazing tips, gift ideas, and exclusive offers. For a complete list of our custom chatbots, check out achaperones.com. Get the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas Deal Finder bot at the link in this video so you can get real-time deals and updates. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. You'll also get an exclusive invite to our upcoming Black Friday and Cyber Monday livestream, an event you won't want to miss. Happy shopping!